All it needs is a 12-2 wire, and that works for either the 120 or the 240 systems. If it's a 240 system, the white leg is just a hot leg, and the black leg is a hot leg too. And they have your ground on that. All panels come with this plate, or this box, and the screws to put it together. So it's just mounting this box onto there. And they also come with a cover plate that goes on that. So once you have your wire in place and pulled through, in this particular system, we have a service channel, which makes life easier for pulling wires and putting boxes on in, so you're not going to destroy any of your vapor barrier and your penetrations with too big of a hole. If typically now you cover it in sheetrock, and you can still have this, and even if it's a bigger hole going through the sheetrock, you're not destroying any of your vapor barrier and air systems. Let's say this is covered in sheetrock, and now I want to just hook it on in, so I can put all these wires on through. And then we'll just start getting it hooked up. Then we can start screwing up the panel. The panels come with a little gasket on the whatever screws you use, whether you get use the drywall screws for those anchors, but we have this planned out so it's going to screw directly to the wood, which makes life a little bit easier. But you want to use these little plastic pieces on any screws, because that way the metal isn't bonding between the two and causing any sound vibration from expansion and contraction. So once you're screwed up and in, at this point you can hook it up and turn it on, and we'll just get that hooked up real quick. And so the installation is pretty basic. It does come with some little covers, so you can fill these screw holes in with the cover plate, and that way it's paintable. You don't see these little holes in there as much. So it's not much it's not very difficult to install. It's just pulling the wire. With the service cavity, you can just leave this wire sitting loose up here. If you have a sheetrock ceiling already, you'll just push it up, everything back up in the sheetrock.